Hi everyone! Recently I saw that this rice paper salad has been popular and I wanted to try it out. It was super good and I wanted to share it with you all as well. Let's get started. First, let's make the dressing. In a bowl, add 3 tablespoons of olive oil and 2 tablespoons of balsamic vinegar. You can use lemon juice instead of balsamic if you prefer. Then add a half teaspoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of honey or sugar, 1 tablespoon of whole grain mustard, and a little bit of black pepper. Mix it well. If you like it sweeter, you can adjust the amount of honey. For the shrimp, I used peeled frozen shrimp. Just defrost them and microwave for about 2 minutes. You can also use cooked chicken breast instead. After 2 minutes, take out the shrimp, remove any extra water and let them cool. It's super easy but still full of protein. Now let's prepare the veggies. Slice the cucumber into thin strips. Slice the red onion thinly too. If you have a bell pepper, slice it thin. Cut 3 lettuce leaves into bite-sized pieces. Add some thinly sliced apple. It adds a nice crisp and sweetness. Cut 1 tomato into bite-sized pieces. I also added a bit of orange today and it turned out great. Don't worry if you don't have the same veggies, just use whatever you have in your fridge. Now here's the fun part. We are not gonna soak the rice paper. I'm showing you this small round rice paper as an example. And as you can see, some brands tend to break or crack when you cut them dry like this. So depending on the brand, it might not be easy to cut with scissors. I used the one with 3 women on the package and it worked great. The texture is nice and chewy too. Cut 3 large wrappers in half, then cut into long thin strips. Now put the rice paper into the dressing first and toss it gently. Then add all your prepared veggies and fruits. Now use your hands to mix everything well. Don't press too hard, just toss lightly so the dressing spreads evenly. Even though we didn't soak the rice paper, it becomes soft and chewy as it mixes with the sauce and moisture from the veggies. The texture is really fun to eat, and it still tastes great even after some time. Now let's plate it. It looks so fresh and tasty. Let me take a bite. The shrimp, the crunchy veggies, and the chewy rice paper go so well together. It's healthy, there's no frying, and it's perfect for a light meal. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and leave a comment. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye!